hear that? It's like a rattle. Let's fix that. Alright, so basically the tools for this job consist of metal wire ties. I got this on Amazon. This was like $10 or $11 for 100. And this is, it's like a tightening ratchet type of thing. And you just put the wire tie in there, it tightens it down, and then this little fella here, you pull back on that, snips it off. So that should make easy work for cinching those things down. I think that was about like $25 and then 10, so 30 something dollars. So let's get under the truck and fix it. So what we're looking at right here is where the exhaust comes from. This is, let's see, where's my finger? This right here, that's the driver's side, passenger side. So we've got this heat shield. Supposed to have several of these guys here. Come on, focus. There's supposed to be several of these, but you can see that one's rusted off. There's a spot for one right here and a spot for one right here, and as you can see, there is none. So at certain RPMs, frequencies, the motor is kind of vibrating a little bit and then it makes noise. So gonna fix that. Alright, so I've got the 3 zip ties all set up. Now I just need to figure out how to use this tool. Now, keep in mind, I've never used this before, so I don't really exactly know what I'm doing. But I suppose it probably needs to go somewhere over here so it can get cinched. Maybe it has to get passed through. Yeah, that feels like it. Okay. And then I believe to cut it, you turn this or pull back on it without pinching your finger, and then yeah. Alright, well, that'll leave a nice razor sharp okay. One down, many more to go. Just 2. Alright, might have to come back and maybe sand those, because that will definitely cut somebody. Or me. Probably me. Definitely me. Alright, so there we have it. That's done. Aside from me futzing around with the camera and trying to figure out how to use that tool, it really only took a few minutes. So, not bad. So that's what we're essentially left with. We've got the old and nasty, rusty, it probably was stainless steel. And then we replaced it with this, snipped it off. Yeah, so not that hard of a job. Makes much easier work. You really ought to get one of these if you're going to be dealing with the wires, the metal zip ties, because you're just not going to be able to pull those tight enough without a tool like this. So get one of those. I don't know how well that's going to look, but we're definitely looking like we're going to get storms. We're forecasted to get storms. But those clouds right there, they're kind of dark. I like thunder. I'm hot, I'm sweaty. Oil undercoating. So it's gross, but this will help keep your vehicle from completely rusting out. I got a short. If you haven't seen it, watch it. But yeah, it's nasty stuff. You just gotta wipe it off when you're done. And what I mean by wipe it off when you're done, I mean just if you get it on you, you wipe it off. Yeah, the undercoating, you spray it on, you leave it on. You reapply it like twice a year, especially if you live in the salt belt like I do. All right, see if we get that rattle now. Probably use for some more zip ties on it, maybe. Yeah, I might put some more on there, but you don't need to see it. You guys already get the idea. So with that said, I wanted to thank you all for watching, and if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Make sure to hit the like button if you already aren't, and subscribe so you can see more helpful DIY stuff like this that you can do yourself. Thanks.